Hi friends, I'm back with another video from Job Minds YouTube channel. Here is the latest job for freshers and experienced. Government jobs, bank jobs, work from home, BPO, data entry, IT and software jobs, mechanical jobs, accounts, teaching, sales and marketing, abroad jobs, and the posted date is 3rd July 2020. It's a great career opportunity for all graduates, even 10th and 12th. And daily job updates will be posted in our channel Job Minds. Please follow and subscribe our channel. Let us see the list of openings. Government jobs. The opening is from Chennai Metro Rail. The position is for a Deputy General Manager, Civil Design, Contract Management and Architecture. Qualification required is BE or BTech, Civil and BArch. Age limit is 47 years and salary ranges from 90,000 to 1,20,000 per month. Experience required minimum 13 years and selection process is through interview and medical exam. Last date for payment is 9th July 2020. The online application form is given in our channel description. The next job is Bank of Baroda. Position is for a Chief Manager IT Security. 4 openings across India for IT graduates, and the selection process is through written test and interview. The last day for the payment is 6th July. The application form is given in our channel. The opening is for a business development executive. Work from home option is there. Any graduates can apply, even freshers. From Zynovic Solutions Private Limited, IT. The contact details are given here. Job posted on 30th June. The next opening is for a customer support executive. Work from home option is there. HSC and any graduates can apply. From Access Service Consultant. Send your CVs to hrwaitrek12@gmail.com. Salary is 15,000. So BPO voice for any graduates. Experience required 0 to 4 years from Lemon Peak Marketing Services. Contact details are given here. Salary up to 2.5 LPA. Job posted on 30th June. The opening is for a software developer, fresher. All IT and CS graduates can apply. From the company Pratian Bangalore. Send your CVs to careers at Pratian. The salary is 10,000 as a stipend and job posted on 30th June. Opening is for .NET developer. Experience required is 2 to 5 years. All CS and IT graduates can apply. From Infochola Chennai, send your CVs to career@infochola.com. Job posted on 30th June. The next opening is for Assistant Network Engineer. Experience required is 2 to 5 years. All CS and IT graduates can apply. From the company Vigilant Technologies, send your CVs to careers@vigilant-inc.com. Salary is 25,000 per month. Next job is for a desktop support engineer. 2+ years experience required for CSE and IT graduates. From Vista Systems Chennai, send your CVs to hr@vistasystems.com. Salary is rupees 12,000 per month and job posted on 29th June. Next job is from Cognizant Hyderabad for programmer analyst. 3+ years experience is required. All CS and IT graduates can apply. Application link for this position is given in our channel description. Salary is as per the standards and job posted is on 30th June 2020. This opening is for mechanical drawing quality checker. All diploma, BE, BTech, mechanical engineering graduates can apply. The experience required is 3 to 5 years from Caterpillar. The application link is given in our YouTube channel description and job posted on 30th June. The next opening is for a HVAC design engineer. 2+ years experience required. All BE, BTech and diploma mechanical graduates can apply. Company Utility Projects and Services Private Limited. Send your CVs to riyaz.mansoor@upsp.com. and the posted date is 30th June. The next job is HVAC project engineer. Experience required is 1 to 3 years. All BE Tech mechanical graduates can apply. Location is Delhi. From utility projects and services, send your CVs to riyaz.mansoor@upsbl.com. Salary up to 2.5 LPA. The opening is for a pre-primary teacher. 2+ years experience is required. B.Ed with a PG in English, the Bangalore region. And the institute name is Koala Preschool Vidyanpura. Send your CVs to Bangalore@vidyanpuraschool.com. Job posted on 30th June. The next job is for a senior accounts executive. 2 to 6 years experience is required. All BCom and income graduates can apply. The opening is from Akshaya Private Limited. Send your CVs to careers@akshaya.com. The salary is up to 3.25 LPA and job posted on 30th June. The next opening for digital marketing. Experience required is 2 to 5 years. All MBA marketing graduates can apply. From InfoChola Bangalore, send your CVs to careers@infochola.com. Job posted on 30th June. It's a Gulf job. Required Indian female secretary cum admin for extreme sports trading. Any graduates can apply. The experience required is minimum 2 years. Send your CVs to recruitment@extremesportstrading.com. It's another Gulf job for civil, mechanical and safety engineers. Minimum 2 years experience required. All diploma and engineering graduates can apply. The company called Arabtech Construction Company. Send your CV to the given number. The salary is 5,500 dirhams and job posted on 30th June. Here is upcoming job openings in our channel. Please follow our channels and videos regularly and subscribe our channel. Thank you.